Hello Internet world, what we're talking about today are Z1 turbos. We have the VGX 800 and the VGX 700. If I wanted a daily driver turbo and I'm coming out of my stock turbo, which they don't have that much lag, probably gonna go with the 700s. 700s are gonna give you a little more response than the 800s. It has a smaller inducer, which is about 46, I believe. Yeah, it's 46, I know I'm right. The 800 has a 49, so that will give you a little more spool, a little quicker spool. Top end's not going to suffer that much on 93 octane. If you're going E85 and you want to push the turbo, let's say I want a car I can get out there and I'm out there and I'm going after it. I see you on the road, well, I see you somewhere, Mexico maybe, I don't know, but I see you there, I'm going for it. And that's going to be the 800s. It's going to be a turbo I can downshift in, running E85 on it or some other fuel. I've got all the mods for it. I'm probably pushing about 7 to 725 at the wheels. If I have a standalone, even if I have a stock ECU, I'm right at 700. And that's the turbo I'm coming after you. I'm getting it. Now, we also have new in our lineup, 700 for quicker spool. This turbo, it will still give you very good power band. We just dynoed these on what we call our twins car, our demo car. It's a red 300ZX on pump gas. This car laid down 536, similar looking to this car. A cool added feature on the turbos, we have an oil tree clearing wastegate arm, and it's also adjustable. This arm allows you to install the turbos without having to grind your oil filter tree. And I think that makes it a lot easier for us Z32 fans. All right, so the choice is yours. You can either go with the 700 or the 800, which can both be found at Z1Motorsports.com.